Let's talk about another remedy for today. We'll talk about the remedy Asterias rubens or red starfish. It's a very interesting remedy. Belongs to the mollusk kingdom Asteridae. That is, it's a sea remedy, as you already know. And one of the first times I saw this remedy being used was in a case of breast cancer by Dr. Sarkar. I remember this case. And it was a case of obviously a case of breast cancer, and the mammy was drawn in, and there was a lot of like lymphatic nodes around the axilla which spread, and this patient was sleepless. This was the indication. You can see cancer mammy with nodes of axilla, metastasis, with sleeplessness, with red spots, especially left sided, remember. And he had given this. Those were the days we used to invite him to Bombay. Now he's based in Calcutta, and yeah, he has blessed me, and I'm helping many cases here in Mumbai. God has been kind. So this is the first time I saw Asteria rubens being used. So as you now can understand, it's a very important remedy for especially left-sided, especially breast, mammae, female organs, nerve circulation. Asteria is generally hot patient, and worse menses, worse contradiction, worse cold wet also. It's a little psychotic miasm. One of the main genius is pulsations, drawn back feeling, cancerous pathology, and flabby, weak kind of sensation. One of the main ideas, if I want to tell you, of Asteria rubens, if I have to tell you in few words, is the rubric contradiction intolerant. They cannot tolerate contradiction at all. This is very important if you want to understand. They are kind of people who are, it's, this Asteria belongs to sea remedy, so it may look like sepia. But one of the most important thing is sepia shuts down and escapes, wants to escape, undertakes things opposed to will. But Asteria rubens cannot tolerate contradiction. They just cannot tolerate it. This is one of the very important phenomena. And they develop a little bit pulsatilla like state where they become very emotional, weepy, and slightest emotion can aggravate them, and they will start crying, and things like that. They get very emotional. So they get more emotional than sepia. Some more things about Asterias rubens. Let me give you a little bit of an idea. There's a feeling that they are away from home. So there's a lot of homesickness, wanting some kind of person with them, wanting sometimes feeling that they are possessed or under possession of strangers. Lot of dreams, scary dreams, dreams of events. Lot of sexuality in this remedy also that you should know about. A strange feeling. So it's a lot of symptoms are during climacteric and during menopausal symptoms here. Least contradiction aggravates, excitable from least contradiction, and there's a nymphomania in this remedy also. Fear of apoplexy. So it's a very important remedy for apoplexy, for stroke, pulsations, remember. And very sensitive to bad news. Fear of bad news about to arrive, weeping, ameliorate. So this gives you idea of gelsemium. But it's an animal remedy. Wants to fight, constantly wants to fight. Very impatient, very fast paced personality. Very quarrelsome, and very high sexuality, very high sexuality. Anxiety, weeping, ameliorate. So there's a lot of weeping, ameliorate symptomatology here, and anticipation, which reminds you of psychotic miasm. Lot of desire for alcohol, brandy, and cheese, especially strong cheese, and coffee in this remedy. Also has a lot of desire for spices and stimulants, and tea. Tea desire is very important, given by Kent. Especially ulcerative stage of breast cancer, one should think about this remedy. And also it's Boric gives it very importantly for acne. It's almost one of my colleague, Dr. Dole, used to prescribe this in acne. Also very important for multiple sclerosis, neurological cases after apoplexy. So think about it a little bit. like CPI, aversion to husband, aversion to children. So almost all C remedies may have this. Household aversion to, and occupation wants to divert their mind. Very important remedy for convulsion, heat flushes. Heat flushes persisting long time after climacteric status. Very important for neuralgia, hysteria, epilepsy, lymphatic constitution. Very important symptom, chorea, only better by putting hands in pocket, and left-sided symptomatology. In female, you can see constant sexual desire, better by caution. Left breast as if drawn inwards. Very important for cancer and ulcerative stages with acute pains, and axillary glands. Vagina is moist with feeling of ease and jerking and distress in uterus. Numbness of left finger side, and mammary pains inner arm and to left fingers, and gait unsteady, muscle refuse to obey the will. Worse by heat, menses, contradiction, cold wet weather, coffee and night. But one of the most important symptoms which I want to tell you here, which I learned from Dr. Sankaran, was convulsions. Convulsions from excitement, and especially convulsion from contradiction. He showed me one case once where one patient got convulsions. A female patient who improved on Asteria rubens used to get convulsion and hysterical attacks when anyone contradicts her. Very interesting. So this is a little bit about Asteria rubens, and I hope you know already about my new book, and I hope that this new book, where it's called as Art of Repertorization, where different repertories I've spoken in detail, like Kent, Fatak, Bonninghausen and things like that. I hope you read it and you'll find it interesting, and I hope you are also going to join our new courses, which is already available, Nozode and Sarcode, and also a new course on mental rubrics. So join us. Thank you.